hello. We're in the craft room again. So, there's something very exciting in this box. And I'm going to go ahead and open it. Let's see. Oh, please let it be right. I made something I've never made before. Tried something new. And it is in this box. These are serious boxes, Amazon. Holy moly. Oh, please be right. Sing a little prayer. Da, 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 da. All right. Ah! Oh, my. Oh, please let this be right. Oh, it is! Oh my goodness. Okay, this is so fun, you guys. All right. I made a coloring book. Look, I made a coloring book. Look. Here we go. You can get one on Amazon. I'll put a link below. So I wrote a children's book, and God, that sounds so weird. I wrote a children's story and I'm animating it, but I wanted to walk through the Amazon Kindle publishing. Okay, so I bought a few. I wanted to try out the Amazon Kindle publishing. You get a coloring book, and you get a coloring book. Just so that I would be ready when I was ready to do that. So I'm going to go through it. So this is for like kids, but also, you know, I think there's some good stuff in here for everybody. So this one is just different animals, wild animals. So we have this belongs to page, which I thought was a good idea, because I know I like to write my name in my stuff. We got bears, elephants for Auntie Edith, the big guy that's on the front cover. We've got heron, which is the, I don't know, city bird for our city. And we've got birds and flowers. So I won't show you every page. There is a word search. I did one word search that I made myself, and hope to God it's right. Because that would really suck if it wasn't. I did do it, and it was right. But anyway, so I did an animal word search with all the animals that are in this book. Well, not all of them, but we got bunny pages and tiger pages and butterfly pages. Oh my gosh! I'm so excited. Okay, so yay. And what I did was I always hate the bleed through when you're coloring. So what I did was I made the back side of each page. It's blank, but I put like a swirly swirl. So you can do your own drawing, or you can, you know, I don't know, write secret notes. I don't know. Anyway, that's really up to you. It's going to be your coloring book when you get one, if you get one. So it's so much fun. I'm working on one right now that's going to be more farm animals. And then I think I'm going to do a space monster one. I've been drawing space monsters, which is a lot of fun. This is so fun, honestly. I mean, making your own book, putting it up there. Gung Hei Fat Choi, by the way. It is the Lunar New Year right now. Today, as a matter of fact, is the Lunar New Year. So there you go. Yeah, we got all kinds. We got all the animals here. So I think what I'm going to do in the next book is I'm going to, this is a shout out to Tina from Bob's Burgers. That I was thinking of her when I made that page. Anyway, I did make it so that there are some that are a little harder to color than others. So if you are doing this or your child is doing it, some days, you know, you want to not work as hard. So I did that. And yeah, there are, let's see, a couple of blank pages in the back. Oh, okay. So Amazon actually put those pages in there. So that is so fun. So if you want one of my coloring books, they are $4.99 US. And you can go and get them. And I'll put a link below for it. So this is just so exciting. I can't even tell you how exciting. Yay! Yay! I made a coloring book. I made this coloring book in Canva. So if there is any interest in me doing a video showing you how to do that, I can certainly put that together. Comment below if you're interested in knowing how to do that. But anyway, thank you. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for supporting my channel. Buy yourself a coloring book. I'm going to start coloring in mine today. I'm so excited. Thank you for, look at me. I'm in like my own coloring book in my own clothes. I've just become a, I don't know, a walking billboard. Anyway, thank you again for joining me. And I hope you have a wonderful day. And like I said, if there is any interest in me showing you how I did this, leave a comment below and I'd be happy to make the videos. Have a wonderful day. Wahoo. Bye.